A dividend is a portion of a company's earnings distributed to its shareholders. These payments can be made in cash, additional shares of stock, or other assets. Dividends are a way for companies to share their profits with investors, indicating financial health and profitability. Companies that regularly pay dividends are often stable and well-established, consistently generating profits. Dividend investing is popular because it provides a steady income stream and the potential for compound returns when dividends are reinvested. There are several advantages to dividend investing. Firstly, dividends provide regular income, which is appealing to retirees or those seeking passive income. Secondly, reinvesting dividends can significantly boost the overall value of the investment over time due to compounding. When considering dividend investing, several criteria are important. One key factor is the company's dividend payment history. Companies with a consistent record of paying and increasing dividends are generally more reliable. Another crucial metric is the dividend yield, which is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock price. A higher dividend yield can be attractive, but the sustainability of the company's dividend payments is essential. Large and established companies are more likely to pay dividends. For example, technology giant Apple, energy company ExxonMobil, and financial institution J.P. Morgan Chase are known for their regular dividend payments. These companies, with strong financial foundations, provide confidence to investors and build loyalty through their consistent payouts. In conclusion, dividend investing is an ideal strategy for those seeking regular income and long-term growth. However, thorough research and awareness of risks are essential. Dividend payments depend on a company's profitability, and economic fluctuations and sector-specific changes can impact these payments. Therefore, investors should diversify their portfolios and regularly monitor the financial health of dividend-paying companies.